hi, hello, and welcome. You're speaking with Hannah, and I'm back with another video. So, y'all, today I am going to give y'all a treat. Today I'm going to show you how to style your braided updo with your natural hair. So if you haven't seen my braided updo, or as I call it, all up with your natural hair, I'll link that video down at the bottom, or I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. So right now I'm just using this braiding hair that I used in my previous video, the knotless box braids. I will also link that at the end of this video and in the description. I am just combing it out, brushing it out, oiling it out to smoothen it and getting it done. So this is 1.5 packs of braiding hair. Now I'm using my scrunchie to put it around the hair to secure it, for when I put it on my hair it's doubled secured. So yes, if you don't know what a braided updo is, this is for braided updo with your natural hair. So I have just braided up the ends of it and tucking it away and giving it some space so that the braided hair could actually fit or get connected to your head with that space. So now we're up for hairstyle number 1. So now I'm just taking the hair and attaching the scrunchie onto the hair, securing it nice and smooth. Yes. And then I'm going to take a piece from the side of the head and just wrap it around the base so that I will give it extra triple security and to give it a nice smooth connection, so it looked like if the braiding hair it was actually growing out from our scalp. This is how it is looking. The final look, very cute, pretty, chic, fluffy, whoosh, everything you can be asking for. Now we're going on to a different hairstyle. Hairstyle number 2. Once again, we are attaching the braiding hair with the extra scrunchie, but instead we flip over, we split that section in 2. Then that 1/2 we're going to be working with, we're splitting it in 2 and giving it a loose twist. Not tight, we want a loose twist because we want all that volume up on top of there. Loose twist. Going to do the same thing for the other side. And now we're going to be starting to wrap it and secure. So we're taking one side and start to wrap it. We're passing it under the other side of the braiding hair that is sectioned down, and we're going to secure everything with a bobby pin or hairpin. Then the other side that is out, that has not been pinned down or secure, we're just going to wrap it around and also secure it down on top of that first row. So this is a final look, like a pretty chic, fluffy, woof, on point. So now moving on to hairstyle number 3. We're doing the same attaching of the hair, same splitting in 2, but this time instead we do twist on one end, we're doing braiding it down on one end. Once again, we're going to have that braiding hair coming down loosely, not tight. And why do we want it loose? Because we want volume. So yes, if you do not want volume here, yes, it is optional for you to go and braid down tightly, but to accomplish how I did it very loosely in terms of the volume. Now, same process as the twisted, we're going to wrap around and secure. Finished look, all cute and nice and volume. This is a more tamed look than the twist. Now we're moving on to hairstyle number 5. So now with this hairstyle, we're going to be doing plaiting down on the braiding hair on our scrunchie. So this is what it looks like, and this is how I'm going to do it. This is a normal 1 inch thick. Put it around the scrunchie, then split one side in a quarter, split the other side in that same quarter, so that we're merging these two quarters together, so we have 3 legs plait, and then you go ahead and do your normal braiding, go all the way down. See how I lock the bottom? Refer back to my knotless box braids. So now I'm just attaching it onto my hair, securing it down and everything, and then we're going to flip that over. And as usual from the previous hairstyles, we're going to take a few pieces from the side of our head and wrap it around the bottom so it can seal off that spot that is disconnected and make it have a nice smooth connection. After we have done that, we go ahead and secure with some bobby pins and get everything down and secured. This is the finished look of it. Ooh, it looks like it actually was braided onto my hair. That's what we were going for. This is me just flaunting it around, you know what I mean? And if I can do it, you can do it. This tutorial was made for you. Now we're going to be moving on to our last and final hairstyle of this video. We already have our ponytail down and secured and wrapped around. We're just going to take the ends and start wrapping it around and making it into a bun. Simple, and that's it. If you have reached this far into my video, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe so you could be part of my newly made family. Also, you're probably wondering about the accessorizer. Go ahead, accessorize. Gold, yellow, red, black, whatever you prefer. This video is made to give you the base, and you know what you have to do. Accessorize. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.